This next exercise is called Stork Turns. It's an excellent range of motion exercise for hip mobility, especially with internal and external rotation. Again, most people have the internal rotation restriction. However, if you have external rotation, we'll show you that as well. So what you're going to do, if we're working on the right hip, you're going to bend the left knee. This left knee is just going to be more of a stabilizing factor, but all of your weight is through the right leg. And what you're going to do is you're going to rotate your torso over the hip like so. I always recommend putting your hands here and then just rotating over, okay? And then coming back, all right? And you can kind of go into that restriction and come back. You may find a bit of a pinch in your groin when you go into internal rotation. When you turn towards the foot that's planted, that's internal rotation. When you rotate away from it, that's called external rotation. All right, and you're just going to go as far, and again, I can turn that leg all the way out if I want, but this foot is planted and I'm separating my pelvis from my hip right here. If I was doing the other side, my left foot's planted, I'm going to rotate to the left for internal rotation like so, okay? And a little bit of a stretch there in my groin. And then you can also go into external rotation here, coming out like this. Good. All right. If you have one of those four directions or motions that is the most tender, tight, or restricted, maybe that's the one you focus on in your stork turns.